Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz with Flourishing. I've been asked many times how to achieve thick and thin contrast in calligraphy strokes like this using a simple pencil. Today, I'm going to show you some tips on how to do pencil calligraphy. This means if you're eager to dive into the art of calligraphy with what's available right now, since everyone probably has a pencil in their homes, you can start immediately after watching this video. You don't need all the fancy supplies and tools to start calligraphy at the beginning stage. After all, calligraphy is the art of writing with what you have on paper, following certain rules and patterns. Although I recommend you to try ink and nibs as you progress in the future, I think this is a great place to start. So let me show you step by step. Let's get started. So here is what you need. First, obviously, a pencil. As you know, pencils come in different graphite softness levels, indicated by their names. Avoid pencils labeled with letter H, meaning hard. So instead, preferably choose a soft pencil to achieve both thick and thin calligraphy strokes. Here, I have my favorite pencil, which is the Black Wing Pearl. Second, paper. The beauty of pencil calligraphy is that you can use virtually any paper without worrying about ink bleed through. I'm using my all-time favorite practice paper from John Neal Books. If your paper doesn't come with the guidelines, you can simply draw them with a ruler or download my free guide sheets. I'll leave a link in the description below. Third, we need a soft cushion underneath the paper. My secret trick for achieving even better contrast between thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes is to place a soft leather mat under the writing paper. This applies to pointed pen calligraphy with a nib and an ink as well. If you don't have a mat, don't worry, you can use your mouse pad or layers of papers underneath. It'll do the same trick. Lastly, we need a pencil sharpener or any craft knife will do. First, sharpen your pencil as you normally would, so that the point is nice and sharp. And this is my golden secret to successful pencil calligraphy. Grab a piece of paper that's just lying around in your house, and now we're gonna grind the point of the pencil to have both sharp and flat area. So you need to grind the point of the pencil to have both a sharp and flat point. This is crucial for desired results. Grind the lead's point on a piece of paper like this to create a flat area. Now you have both a sharp and a flat point. Test out which angle gives you the best thin and thick strokes. Now it's time to write some letters. Here I'm writing in a calligraphy style called copperplate, a traditional pointed pen style of calligraphy. Keep in mind the key to any calligraphy is making thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes, which creates beautiful contrast. No matter what tool you're using, practicing with intention is important. It helps train your muscles to control the pressure. Here, I've created a detailed video on practicing warm-up exercises. I highly recommend following these steps with a pencil to train your muscle memory. They say perfect simplicity before mastering complexity. So, is it a good idea to practice with a pencil? Certainly. There is a difference when using different tools, nib, pencil, brush, fountain pen, but in terms of training your hand muscle memory and hand-eye coordination, whichever you start with will help you improve your calligraphy skills. With that being said, I believe a pencil is the simplest and yet most powerful tool you can use to begin your calligraphy journey immediately. You can start practicing not only basic strokes up and down, but also for getting familiar with how to do flourishing. Most of the lowercase letters are essentially a combination of these 8 basic strokes. For example, the letter A is written like this. We begin with an entry stroke, combine it with an oval, and finish with an underturn. If you're interested in learning every detail of copperplate lowercase, I have an online course open for enrollment. I'll put the link in the video description. I hope this video inspires you in your creative journey. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with those who can also benefit from it. I'll see you next time with another calligraphy tutorial. Happy writing!